Exploring Reddit and its unconventional rise to fame. You might be surprised to learn that this massive online community started with a shocking growth hack. Buckle up, because we're about to dissect their explosive growth strategy. Imagine launching a social news site with no users, no content, and no buzz. Sounds like a recipe for disaster, right? That's exactly the situation Steve Huffman and Alexis Ohanian faced in 2005 when they founded Reddit. Their solution? Create hundreds of fake user accounts to populate their site and make it appear active. Was it ethical? Probably not. But it was undeniably brilliant. These fake accounts served two purposes. 1. They masked the emptiness of the site and enticed real users to join. 2. They kick-started the content creation process. High-quality content from these fake accounts set the tone for the platform and attracted genuine users. Did Reddit's fabricated foundation come back to haunt them? While the initial approach might seem questionable, it ultimately laid the groundwork for Reddit's success. The platform quickly pivoted towards transparency and user-generated content. Here's what made Reddit truly thrive. 1. A strong emphasis on quality and accuracy. The community voted on content, ensuring valuable information rose to the top. 2. Engaging features like subreddits. These niche communities fostered discussions and cater to specific interests. 3. User-driven content curation. Personalized feeds kept users engaged and coming back for more. The lesson? Growth hacking can be a powerful tool, but it's crucial to build trust and transparency alongside it. Fast forward to today, and Reddit boasts over 114 million monthly visitors. It's become a breeding ground for growth hacking strategies, with features like 1. Subreddits. For testing product market fit before a full-scale launch. 2. AMA or Ask Me Anything. For product promotion. But remember, Reddit's community is built on honesty. If you attempt to exploit them for self-promotion without transparency, you'll likely face harsh criticism. So, is growth hacking the magic bullet for business success? The answer is not so simple. It's a powerful tool, but it needs to be used ethically and strategically. Focus on building a valuable product, fostering genuine connections with your audience, and always be transparent in your approach. This, combined with clever growth hacking strategies, can propel your business to new heights. Watch the last video to learn Tinder's growth secret strategies. You can find the video here. Also, these business growth tools gives an unfair advantage.